I think a big yardstick, if you like, yardstick on awareness that has been done is on the number of people that have registered, which means that the youth have heard the call that they now have a voice. I mean, from 18, to choose who they want to represent them in Parliament. And if you just look at the number of the people that have registered, and a big portion of that are youth, young people, and those that are yet to be registered would be all more in the youth category, because people, as they turn 18 this year, and next year they register. So I think that is a fair indication as to their awareness that they have this responsibility or a right or privilege that they now inherit when they are 18, and that is to choose as to who represent them in Parliament. And I think, you know, as the Constitution develops, as that process continues, that awareness will continue. The awareness programs will continue, and we're looking forward to 2014.